Good morning, students. Let's begin today's class by exercise 2.4, and first question I have taken here is find the quotient and the remainder, and the number is given here 205680 divided by 235. Here what is the dividend? This is the dividend and this is the divisor. So let's start solving this. Here dividend we have to write over here and the divisor should be here. So first step is what? We have to see whether in which number of digit we have to work upon. So here 235 is given and here 205 is here. So if we want to take this 3 digit, this is less than this number. So what is our first step? We have to take this 4 digit. So before this we have to write the table. The table first we have to write over here of 235. 235 multiplied by 2 is 470. Multiplied by 3 is 705. Multiplied by 4 is 940. 235 multiplied by 5 is 1175. 235 multiplied by 6 is 1410. 235 multiplied by 7 is 1645. 235 multiplied by 8 is 1880. And 235 multiplied by 9 is what? 2115. So here the number we have to work upon is for this 4 digits. So we have to select the number that should be less than this number, that is 2056. So here you can find that 8 times it will come what? 1880. Now after writing this, you know that we have to subtract. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Here we have to take borrow from here. It will become 9 and this is 1. So 15 minus 8 is what? 7. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. After this we will bring down this 8 over here. Now 1768. We can't find out 1768 over here. So what is the next step for us? To see whether which number is less than 1768. So we can see easily that it will come 7 times 1645. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1, and here 1 minus 1 is 0. Then again let's take this number over here, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. Now it will come 5 times what? 1175. 10 minus 5 will be 5 and 12 minus 7 will be 5. 1 minus 1 0 and again 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now we can see over here we have got the quotient over here and here this is the remainder. Come to second question. 2578908 divided by 257. Now dividend we will write over here, that is 2578908, and 257 we will write here, that is divisor. Now we can see over here that this is also 257 and this is also 257. So we will work upon this 3 digit, and here we know this easily that 257 1 times 257. So here it will come 0, 0, 0 if we will subtract this. Now again the next step is to bring down this 8 over here. Now this is one digit. Okay, what we can see that this is only one digit and we have to convert this into 3 digit. So for converting this into 3 digit, first step is what? We have to write, subtract this by 0 and 0 times 0 we will write. Here I have written 8 and then next step again to bring down this 9 over here. Now this is also 89 is over here and this is 3 digits. So we have to convert this into 3 digit. For that again we will write this 0. So this will become 8, 9 and 0 over here. We will bring down this 0 over here. Now further we have to write the table of 257, that is 257 multiplied by 2 is 514. 257 multiplied by 3 is 771. 257 multiplied by 4 is 1028. 257 multiplied by 5 is 1285. 257 multiplied by 6 is 1542. Now you can see that 890, that is 890 is not over here. So we have to select the number which is less than 890. So which number is less than 890? This 771. And how many times it will come? Then 3 times we have to write 771. And the next step is again to subtract this. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then again 8 minus 7 is 1. So here again we will bring down this 8 over here. 1198. We have to select less than this number. So 4 times it will come 1028. Then after subtracting what we will get? Here 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we have got the value of remainder and here this is the value of what? Quotient. Now the next question is what? 82756 divided by 421. 82756 is dividend and 421 is divisor. So here I have written the table of 421. 421 multiplied by 1 is 421. 421 multiplied by 2 is 842. Then 421 multiplied by 3 is 1263. 421 multiplied by 4 is 1684. Then multiplied by 5 is 2105. Multiplied by 6 is 2526. Multiplied by 7 is 2947. Multiplied by 8 is 3368. Multiplied by 9 is 3789. Now here we have to work upon first 3-digit number. So here you can see this. If we will take 842, it will be greater than this number. So we can't subtract this number. So we will take 1 times 421. Then we will subtract this number. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then we will bring down this number here. Then 4065, we have to select the number which is less than this 4065. So which number is less than 4065? We can see over here this only, that is 3789. It will come 9 times 3789. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Here 15 minus 8 is 7. This will become 9. 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 7 is 2. And here 3 minus 3 is 0. Then again this last digit is left out. We have to bring down over here. And here you have to select the number which should be less than this. The numbers 2766 is not over here. That's why we are selecting the number which is less than 2766. So which number is less? Here we can see 2526 and 6 times it will be 2526. Then we have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Again here we got the remainder. And this is the quotient. Students, now I am giving one question as a homework. Try to solve this in your rough copy and the question will be same. This find the quotient and the remainder, and the number is here 47235 divide by 198. Try this in your rough copy. 47235 divide by 198.